All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a $100,000 Trade Locker demo account. So for those that are completely new to day trading, I want to learn, I want to get started, guess what? This video is going to be perfect for you because now you can go straight to tradelocker.com and open a demo account. So you don't need to basically open a broker right away. You could start practicing with a demo account, and if you decide you like trading and want to continue day trading, then you can sign up with a broker and deposit your money and start trading with your own live capital. So as always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below on what you guys think, and if you guys are interested in using the same broker as me, you'll actually get a matching deposit bonus. So you deposit 500, they give you 500. Now you have a $1,000 account to trade with. That is if you guys want to move forward and sign up with a broker right away. This is my live Trade Locker account, and how you know it's live is because in the bottom left hand corner it says live account. I trade with a live account every single day. This is just one of my accounts. You guys can see, to be transparent, I have 138,000 in it. So far on the month with this account, I have 10,000 in profit. For the week, $6,000 in profit. So I trade on a live account every single day. But if I was new to trading, such as yourself, and want to learn this skill, I would start off by practicing with fake money, demo money, monopoly, fake paper trading money. It's not real. It's not real at all. I could lose it over and over and over again. It doesn't cost me anything. It doesn't matter. Okay. So you practice because practice makes perfect. And you do that day in and day out. And you've become good, skilled, disciplined trader, then eventually you start using your own live capital. No reason to use a fake funded account. A lot of people use these funded prop firms. It's still fake. It's the same. A prop firm funded account is the same thing as a demo account. It's the exact same thing. So you might as well use your own capital. If you don't have the capital, well, again, guess what? You do it the old school way. You save up. You save your money or get a secondary job, or you sell things to basically raise the capital. Because you know what? When you learn how to day trade, right, you've learned and have built up this skill, this discipline, this risk management. So when you're trading day in and day out, you want it to be as real as possible. Live account, real capital, no rules, no restrictions. So that way you can withdraw your profit instantly, just like I showed you guys with my live accounts. At any given time, I could withdraw any profit I make day in and day out. If I place a trade and make $5,000 in 5 minutes, guess what? I could withdraw all of that $5,000 in less than the next 5 minutes. It'll hit my bank account, it'll hit my Bitcoin wallet, and go right to my pocket cash. So that is why I strongly recommend using your own live account, live capital. But before you do that, you want to use a demo account. So to do that, you go to tradelocker.com, and I'll put the link for you guys below this video. So what you're going to want to do is go to try demo account. Once you go to try demo account, you guys can then sign up with your Google email or your Apple. In this case, I'm going to use my Google. Once I'm here, I'm going to click on my email address. I'm going to choose my account, and then from there, I'm going to go to continue. And there we go. We are now inside of a $100,000 Trade Locker demo account. So again, this is $100,000. You can see right here where it says balance $100,000, and then the bottom left hand corner, you guys will see that it says a demo account. So again, this is not real money. And on the right hand side here, you guys can see everything that we could trade. Tesla, they're gonna have Bitcoin here, Forex pairs, gold. Gold is one of the things that we trade pretty much every single day in my Telegram Discord group. I also go live a couple times a week on YouTube, guys, where you can come and watch me trade gold live on YouTube with real signals and alerts, and where I'm looking to buy and sell. So as I'm making this video right now, it's basically 10 o'clock at night. Not the greatest action, but we will take a trade on this one. I'm just gonna take either buy or sell. I don't really care what happens, because again, this is just for tutorial on how to set this up. This is a 1 minute chart here. You obviously have all the different time frames that you could pick and choose from depending on which time frames that you like. I trade the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute every single day. You could zoom in on the chart. You could zoom in here. You have basically your market panel. You have your order panel. You've got your trades panel. Okay, like I said, you could toggle between what you want to trade here. So you could trade like US oil, you could trade gold, and you have all your volume. So obviously your volume basically shows obviously in the 1 minute all this green volume coming in, which basically means that obviously it's pushing up, right? You have all your tools here depending on what kind of tools you like to use. A trend line, you have your crosshair, you have basically your brush, your highlighter, and again, all these tools are here to basically help you become a better trader. And then most importantly, we have indicators up here, so you could choose what kind of indicators you want to use. So if you maybe like a VWAP, right? We could add VWAP here. Did we add that? Yeah, we added that multiple times actually. So we got the VWAP here. So we got multiple indicators, and we can remove these indicators. So again, it depends what kind of indicators you like to use. Let's see, are we removing these? Remove. So we're gonna remove these indicators, but you guys get the idea. And then again, you have your order panel here. So you could do a market, pending. If you do a market, you can do a market buy or market sell. Market order means it's basically get me in the trade right away. You don't care what the price is. This right here is your lots. This is basically your position size. So if I take one lot, basically means I'm taking like 4,725 positions. So if I hit a sell, I just jumped in this one right now. I took one lot, I mark it in, just jump me in right now. From an education standpoint, you can basically see that right now I'm up $1, I'm down $9, and it shows you right here, instrument, gold, side, sell, one lot. My entry was 47.25.64, and currently the current price is 47.25.96. And you can see right now I have P&L $68. So right now it's they call that a floating P&L. It's basically floating. It's not secured. So I'm in one lot, right? And I could practice around with this. I could click on this. I could put a stop loss. I could hit a take profit. And when you put these lines out here, this basically is for you to practice. Be like, okay, I can basically confirm my trade, let my trade sit there, and basically let it do its thing and come back to this later on, right? That means no matter if it goes up, right? I know how much I'm going to lose. You might be thinking, well, how do you know how much you're going to lose? Okay, well, it shows you that right here, right? You can see it's kind of hard to see. It says 194 profit, 194 loss, or $240 in profit, right? That's basically me putting a pending, or that's basically me putting a market order. Now, a pending order is basically obviously if I put a pending order, I can put that right here. That means sell stop. That means the trade doesn't actually happen until the price comes towards my direction. That's the only way this trade is going to happen. The price has to come towards where my order is. It's like going to a dealership, like you go to a car dealership. You tell the car salesman, hey, I'll buy the car at any price. Okay, that's a market order. But I tell the car salesman, no, I'm only going to buy it at $40,000. And he's like, well, we're selling the car at $60,000. Okay, well, if you come down with the price of $40,000, I'm your order. You know where to basically fill me at, okay? That's basically how this works. Now, with putting a pending order, you could basically delete these trades at any time by hitting an X. You could hit the X right here. You can hit the X right here, and let's see if this trade actually fills. Let's see if this kind of comes down, fills my order. Now, one thing to make very clear, guys, is that demo accounts are usually slower, not as quick and as fast, response as a live account. Live account is very, very fast, right? So when I use my live $138,000 account, it's very, very fast. There's no pause, no delays. It's just very, very quick. It has to be. It's a live capital. So you guys can see order filled. The price came down, filled my order, and basically I want to see if it continues basically selling off here. And again, you could use these tools as a guide to be like, okay, well, this is basically tapping a resistance area here. I want to see it come down. This would be considered like a zone. It's basically hit this resistance area, and you zoom in here, it's basically hit 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I want to basically see it come down here. In this case, You know, right now it's kind of hanging in here. It's going to keep coming down. It's going to come down towards this next area, this next area, which would be 47, 24.75. That's considered like a zone support area if we can get this drop. And again, you're watching the volume. So in this case, we had these, you know, this is obviously green volume, basically means it's obviously bullish, right? More buyers are stepping in. Red is obviously bearish. It's more sellers. So you can see, you know, you'd basically be watching this candle right now and watching the volume, right? Is the volume green? Is the volume red? Are there buyers or are there sellers? Obviously, you want the candle, because we're in sells right now, we'd want this candle try and be red as much as possible, right? Because when it's green, obviously that's working against us because we didn't take buys, we took sells. So nonetheless, this video can go on for hours and hours and hours, but I wanted to make this quick video to show you guys exactly how to set up this $100,000 trading demo account. Now again, when I first started trading over 10 years ago, this wasn't an option. You couldn't do stuff like this. You either had the money to trade or you didn't. If you didn't have the money to trade, then what you could do is you could look at charts all day, but you'd basically kind of have to like manually like place trades. When I say manually, I'd have to like write down on pen and paper, or basically I'd basically draw my trend lines and draw my horizontal lines and basically pretend like those were trades. Okay, but in this case, you could actually place trades in practice with this day in and day out, and basically just overall become, you know, a trader. So in this case, I'm just gonna see how much this is pulling back right now. Let's see if this one drops down. We'll keep this video going a little bit longer here just to see how this basically plays out, because I kind of want to show you guys really quick how to do a partial. Let's just jump in here. We'll just take 5 lots. We'll just jump in here, and again, because it's demo account, it's not going to be as fast and responsive. And there's different things with, you know, using a live account, and that is spread. So spread is where my cursor is at. You can see 19. So the spread, it's not the greatest, it's not the worst. But in this case, if I want to, you could basically do partial. So like, because it took 5 lots, I could hit 2, and it basically closes out partial of my position. So now I went from 5 lots to 3 lots, okay? And if you want to do full close with this, you could just hit full close, full close, full close. And if you guys really want to be ballsy, I mean, you guys can go like big lots with this, right? You guys could do basically 10 lots. 10 lots is basically like a $47,000 position. It basically, you know, you could see, you kind of utilize this to be like, all right, well, if I have a $50,000 account, if I have a $50,000 account, I could take, you know, this big of size, I could be down, you know, $650, $700 pretty fast. Actually, yeah, I did take 10 lots. So again, this is just good to play around with. And as I mentioned, you know, there's all different times of the day's trade, right? So this, as I'm making this video, it's basically like 10:30. What time is it? It's basically yeah, it's basically 10:50 at nighttime. So this is actually a horrible. This is probably like one of the worst times to trade. Gold, US 30, NAS 100. This is only the good time to trade. This would be basically, you know, in the morning session. So anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next one.